हों हाथों में हाथ और नूर इल्म का लेकर चले। हम चलें तो जमाने भर से आगे चलें। जज्बा हो जुनून जैसा, लगन भी हो सितारों को छूने की, हो जिसकी मंजिल रोशन मुस्तकबिल, हम सिर्फ उसी राह पर चलें। KPSI तालीमी तरबियती तर्ज अमल पर तख्लीक किए गए स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस, जहां नर्सरी से इंटर तक मिले बेहतरीन माहौल में मायारी तालीम।
Sons of Pakistan, KPS International Cadet School and College.
10 kilometers, GT Road, Rachna Town, Ferozwala, Shadra, Lahore. Phone 0423 796 1545.
KPSI was established in March 1996 along the lines of public schools and cadet colleges to produce disciplined and enlightened minds. It is established in a beautiful and magnificent building, along with vast playgrounds consisting of 15 acres of land. The classes from reception to inter are organized with separate sections of girls students of class 5 to inter. The school is affiliated with the Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Lahore. Fully equipped laboratories have been established to conduct practicals concerning physics, chemistry, and biology. Modern equipment like video, CD player, projector are provided for better enhancement of knowledge. Keeping in view the importance of computer, regular classes are arranged for the study of computer as a compulsory subject. Moreover, two well-equipped and modern computer labs are made available. The school library is well stocked with more than 6,000 books to supplement the students' knowledge. School is equipped with the latest state-of-the-art English language lab, where students learn to speak English with proper pronunciation and grammar.
I'm the student of KPSI and doing software engineering from Punjab University College of Information Technology. KPSI grew my personality, and when I passed out from this institution, I was entirely a different person. This institution gave me confidence and guided me at each step how to achieve the target by moving on the right path, having clear vision of the goal. This thing helped me a lot when I put myself into the higher education level.
All possible efforts are made to keep the curriculum up to date and realistic. English, an international language, is used as the medium of instruction, while the importance of Urdu as national language is not compromised at all. Co-curricular activities are an integral part of education. They develop a healthy sense of competition and impart the moral values for this purpose. Different clubs are organized in the school, the most important being the science club, art club, writing club, and swimming club. Regular classes for swimming and horse riding are managed for students from reception to inter under the guidance and supervision of sports instructors. KPS is the only institution which provides maximum facilities to its students after providing highly useful generators. Now the administration is working on biogas plant to overcome the shortage of energy.
During my stay in KPSI, I found this institution one of the marvelous educational home. It develops the various aspects of the student personality. I passed my matriculation from this institution and produced an outstanding result in the whole area, just because of the healthy environment provided by my worthy administration and the efforts made by my honorable teachers. According to my personal thinking, KPS prepares the students for the top-notch colleges of Pakistan. I pray to Allah that He may bless all His blessings upon this institution.
School has its own transport which comprises of more than 20 vehicles and a special coaster for teachers. Our teaching faculty in school gives special attention to each student. Their caring attitude towards students give them confidence to face all challenges of life. Our highly professional and qualified faculty leaves no stone unturned to show outstanding results in Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Lahore. Alhamdulillah, KPS is the only institution in Shahdara, Rachna town, which not only produces 100% results in Lahore board, but is also successful in obtaining maximum numbers of highest percentage. We are second to none by the grace of Allah.
जब मैंने KPSA की बुनियाद रखी तो मेरा मकसद एक ऐसा स्कूल था जिसमें बच्चों की ज़हनी और जिस्मानी सलाहियतों को उजागर किया जाए और इन्हें एक ऐसा माहौल फराहम किया जाए जिसमें वो अपनी तख्लीकी सलाहियतों को निखार सकें। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज मैं पूरे फ़ख्र से ये कह सकता हूँ कि हम अपने मकसद में कामयाब रहे। हमारे बच्चे आज अपने प्रोफेशनल फील्ड में बेइंतहा कामयाब हैं। मेरी दुआ है कि इस ख़ियाबान से निकलने वाला हर फूल सच्चा मुसलमान और मुहिब्बे वतन पाकिस्तानी हो। आमीन।
Another important features of KPS is AIMS Club, which is organized in a purpose-built and modern building. With different facilities like mosque, cafeteria, swimming, steam bath, sauna bath, gymnasium, table tennis, badminton, boxing, vast playgrounds, cricket, jogging track, lawn tennis, basketball, football, horse riding are offered at very nominal charges to its members. KPS, a trusted name in the field of education.